In this short video, we are going to look at the impressive results achieved by the combination of two factors, using the ABR Fascia Gel in line together with the innovative application of the ZVibe tool, which is well known in the speech therapy world, but we are using it with a different flavor and taste. So what we are doing, we're delivering a different type of loading, which includes the number of important components. So first, we respect all of the key phases of the dynamic loading. So the surface contact, then the deeper loading at the connection, and then finally the loading that actually gets the depth component. So in other words, you've got the line, the surface, and then the transition to the depth of the slab. So that's important that we do this tonic stacking, 1, 2, 3 stacking before actually doing the technique itself. So, and then we also add the additional interface here, so which is the silicone cover that also smoothens and distributes the loads even more and favoring the deeper application of the loads. So without getting so much of the triggering of the superficial sensors. And the third component that you can see here, that's that actual rolling factor, right? So the rolling factor that goes in the angular fashion, so where we're doing the angular rotation, that actually respects the sector, which is about 60 degrees, and then we're combining this 60 degrees loading, so that's the arc loading factor. So in that sense, these are the three key components. We get the arc loading, we get the tonic stack in 1, 2, 3 phases, and we get the surface kind of triggers neutralizers. Surface neutralizers as the additional silicone cover, and of course it also serves the purpose of the additional loading spread. So that's what we are doing when utilizing these well-known tools, and that's really one of the key points about ABR is repurposing of the existing tools. So with this technique explained, now let's have a look at the result. So again, ABR repurposing. So with this technique explained, now let's look at the result, and maybe we can also have a bit clearer look and how it's being done, right? So you see here we are. So that's the sequence of phases, contact, connection, loading, and then it goes on, stops, then reaches, then again goes the other way. So that's a very slow and smooth action, which comes in this tonic stacking and the arc loading fashion. So, but at the same time, it's technically not difficult to do, so it's easy to deliver, and it shouldn't be a surprise that the channel is actually liking it and enjoying this stimulation.